how disease-free that oilseed rape is. Beautiful. Be happy with that. Pigeons are still nagging on it. That's my only bit. Ow. We put that there. Of course, I've just left this pack bunged up for the next man.
What on earth have you been doing?
I've been power washing. Good day, I'm in the field. I'm just doing a few crafty loads of sugar beet, opening these headlands up. Cespoir. While it's nice and sunny, it's glorious to be out. Quite nice. I've got no staff, so I'm just doing it on my own. Well, say no staff, the guys who are in the shed bagging. Is that nice today? I've even took my coat off. How about that look? Down to 3 layers. Look at this, look, lifting away. It's not even sloppy. What more do you want? The sun's out. Feels like spring's here. There's Paul coming. You can hear the thunder of the Cummins. This is sort of the load I'm doing at the minute. This is the typical Lexian class cab rear window reflection, which is just so annoying. Anyway, there's the beet. It's really quite clean. I'm pleased I waited in hindsight. Yeah, it's lifting quite nice. Here he comes. Just Paul carting today, and I'm just slipping him to this end. Or slipping the harvest to this end, running to the far end of the field, over there, empty, nice and fast, and then coming back. So I'm full for this end. They Paul's pleased to get out of the grader shed, make a bit of a change, catch some UV. Back on the beat. Paul's on the little pocket rocket. View from the tank, just got to clean all this residual beet out. This corner bungs up quick. It stays bunged up. You can tell it's a bit windy when the tops, instead of going over there, are going over there. Good drying weather though. Saturday morning, last little bit of sugar beet. It was going really well yesterday. I've had a few days at it. We've done all over there. Beautiful. Not using any oil. Just on the last bit of 6 rows here. Hopefully get it out before this little bit of rain, what's apparently coming tomorrow morning. But need a bit of rain. So we'll get this back just in time for lunch. Want to work out how to fold all the tank up. There we go. Let's run the machine out now. What a lovely day. So we got done this morning. So this bit of the field here, which you see how well the harvester traffics it, though it still puts it down. You know, the best soil in the world, it's wet underneath, it's the wrong end of winter. So I'm just putting the little drag there through it, just in, put some air back in, because weight on wet soils knocks the air out. It just squeezes the air out when the field's soft, or when the soil's 25% air, or hopefully more. You get rid of the air and it makes it more of a pudding. This is coming at spring oats, so it wants to be in fairly soon. But I'm not too much of a rush in certain respects, because this is one of the last black grassy fields that's got a dusting of black grasses. Oats aren't the most competitive, unless they get away well, hopefully. So let's look at this drag. This is a Decaflex by Gregory Besson. I think it's a bit of a prototype. It's quite simple, really. It's just got some looped pigtail tines, but it's a brilliant way of getting air in without overpacking it or not being too heavy, because you don't want weight or any more weight on these wet soils. Necessary. I've had this thing about 20 years. Got about 4.5, 5 inches deep. Keeping the troops fed. It's not as bright today, but we've got a bit of rain later, so I'm just quite keen to rip this out before the rain. Hence, anywhere where a trailer's been, it won't be great. Come round here, I was going to pop this drag off because I've got to put it on that trailer over there to wash. I've left it up so the oil is out of this tractor. So whip this off. Of course, I've just left this pack bunged up for the next man. Bit of straw going out today. This is the last, about the last of it now. Should make contract just about, but nearly to the load. So these beet tops are really corrosive, so we want to get them off as soon as we can. Ow. We put that there.
You been doing?
I've been power washing. This one was done yesterday. This is how it starts. Well, today started off really nice, and now it's wet max, isn't it? So yeah, we've got to get these trailers really clean. We can't have a rusty floor, old rips even more muck. Now the sun's shining out there, we're just starting to get ready for spring type jobs now. It feels like it's nearly ready. It's come in there. So Paul's hooked up the little fent on the barn. Look at that, let's do it again. Paul's put a drill on the little fent and just going through it now. He's got power leads to adapt because we've got to make these big Anderson plugs fit. Well, we haven't got anything on here to power it, so I've just got to change one of these. And these tines run through all the horrible stuff, you know, where the wheelings have been. Just need to sort these tipped tines out. You can see from the way the metal's dissolving here, these whatever tiles they are immense. So this one lasts a bit long. We'll probably get the wear out of there and then get one of those. The same depth, but you never lose your working depth because your tile keeps it there. So yeah, Paul's got the hydraulics all going. Just have a few electric cables to rig up to power the stock seeder on the back, which we use for Avadex.